Hey guys, how are you? Ladies, I've got a very cool story and an interesting procedure for you to share with. So there's been a little bit of an urban legend for a long time, and that was that some people were getting their ribs removed to accentuate the waist. Well, that's no longer an urban legend. It actually is happening. As a matter of fact, if you recall seeing these two, one was a Barbie and the other one was a Ken, and they'd done all this plastic surgery. Well, what they did is they had their ribs removed to create a really tiny little waist. And there's a lot of celebrities that there's been rumor that they've removed the ribs. Well, that's one of the latest things that we're doing now. So when we do a tummy tuck and you're in there, we can try to remove the ribs, and it's usually the bottom ribs, and those bottom ribs usually aren't near the lungs or anything like that, so it can be very safe. But we remove those ribs, and now that gives you the ability to tighten that muscle and give you even a much smaller waist. Now, if you're not doing a tummy tuck, sometimes you can do it when you combine it with lipo. So you would do liposuction, you would transfer some fat to the buttock, you would transfer some fat to the muscles to give you a three-dimensional look, the so-called Athena procedure. When it comes to women, there's different looks that we can give them. It's just a simple Pilates type of look where it elongates the torso. I create the highlights on the side and the center. There's some women that want a six-pack look, like they've been working out and doing a lot of CrossFit. And then finally, there's those that just want a soft abdomen and don't want a lot of definition. So the Athena, I sculpt your abdomen depending on how you want it. Do you want a Pilates Victoria's Secret? Do you want a six-pack, or do you just want a soft look? And do a little bit of the J plasma on the stomach or wherever you have some loose skin. So in the old days, we would just kind of remove fat, and that's all we could do, right? We didn't really have the artistic vision. We really were learning the process. But today it's advanced so much that now it's becoming very natural, three-dimensional artistry with liposuction. It's true human sculpting. And by adding the fat to the muscles, it allows me to take down the fat a little bit more. And I create my hills and my valleys, the hills, by adding fat to that muscle. I can inject fat into your rectus muscle, into your obliques, into the lumbars in the back. The other thing I'm doing with the Adonis and the Athena to make this a little bit more tolerable for patients is there's something called EXPAREL. That's a new pain medicine that I've been using for liposuction. We usually use it in tummy tucks. We inject it in muscles so that you don't get hardly any discomfort at all. So it decreases your pain by like 85% for your cycle of recovery. It's insanely good. Absolutely revolutionizing the way the results are looking. So I'm loving it.